We're going to talk about the essential elements of 4-H youth development. We divide them into 4 broad categories, which are belonging, mastery, independence, and generosity. We're going to take a closer look at each one. Belonging. A positive relationship with a caring adult is very important. As the 4-H leader, you should get to know each one of your members individually, learn their names, talk to them when they come into the meeting, build that relationship with them. That's one of the great things about the 4-H program, is that youth and adults get to build that relationship. Along with that comes that the youth need to feel like they are a part of an inclusive environment. They need to feel like they belong to the group and that they get along with the others, that they're not on the outside. To do that, you have to have a safe environment for your youth in the club setting and outside of the club setting. As the facilitator, you need to make sure that your youth feel both physically and emotionally safe while actively participating in the group. Creating a safe, inclusive environment and fostering a positive relationship with the youth learners will help you to do that. Use discussion questions that encourage the youth to learn from each other, synthesize and use their ideas collaboratively. Mastery. Engagement in learning is very important for youth to master a topic. They need to be given the tools. They need to be able to actively do it themselves. They need to believe that they are capable, and they need to experience success at solving problems and meeting challenges. That means they need to be given the opportunity to do so. You can't just have hand somebody a guitar or a trumpet or a steer or a piece of cloth and just have them make something, do something, play something. You need to be able to give them the skills to do that, but you also need to let them do that. They need a breadth and depth of topics that allow them to pursue their own interests. It's what sparks them. That's sparking their interest. It really gets them engaged and excited about learning. Introduce the youth to expert knowledge and guide them toward their own sense of mastery and accomplishments. Independence. Youth need opportunities to see oneself as an active participant in the future. They need to be a partner. They need to be able to decide what they're going to do. They need to be able to be in charge of running the clubs and doing the agendas and becoming independent thinkers. Throughout the 4-H curriculum, those are things that they can do that gives them opportunity for self-determination. They also, throughout our 4-H curriculum, youth are given opportunities to develop and reflect upon thoughts and responses to challenges, explorations, and investigations. They can begin to feel that they are they are considered change agents, and they have confidence and competence because of what they are learning. Allow the youth to have those decision-making time and skills. Remember, ask questions and get answers. And then we're going to finish up with generosity. That gives the youth an opportunity to value and practice service for others. It can be something small and simple, or it could be something elaborate and planned, but youth need to feel like their lives have meaning and purpose. Throughout the 4-H curriculum, the youth are encouraged to broaden their perspectives, find relevance in the topic areas that they're studying, and maybe bring ideas back to their community and their club, and to go out and serve others. Each 4-H club is required to do at least one community service project a year, but once clubs get started and youth get started in something like that, it probably won't be just a one-time thing. To recap, those essential elements are belonging, mastery, independence, and generosity.